This is the Simmons 851 repair kit. This kit is only for the Simmons hydrant models that does have the SMC on the side of the hydrant. This is for the made in China versions of the hydrants. We'll go ahead and get everything out of the box here. Okay, as you can see, it'll come with the 2 draw straps, the 2 rubber O-rings, the pivot connector, the packing, and the plunger. It'll also come with the adjusting screw, the handle nut, and the handle bolt. We'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of each part in the box. We'll start with the straps. You can see a total length of the strap is right about 3 inches. That'll be the same for both straps. And the plunger, you can see the plunger measures right at about 1 3/4 inches. And it does have female thread, as you can see there on the inside. Measure the packing. You can see it measures right about 3/4 of an inch. And the pivot connector measures right above an inch. And the screw here, you see it measures right at 2 inches. You can also go ahead and measure this one. And this one measures right at 3/4 of an inch. And go ahead and get a diameter of the O-rings. See, that one measures right at 3/4 of an inch as well. Yeah, once again, this is the Simmons 851 yard hydrant repair kit.